Want to grow plants even when it's cold outside? A mini greenhouse is the answer. It's like a cozy home for your plants. You can grow your favorite flowers and vegetables all year long. Imagine fresh tomatoes in winter. Building your own is easy and fun. This guide will show you how to build a mini greenhouse with recycled materials. We'll use old pallets and windows. It's a great way to reuse items and save money. Plus, it's good for the environment. Let's get started on your gardening journey. Before you begin, gather your tools and materials. You can find most of these items at home or at a local construction site. Don't be afraid to ask around. Pallets. You'll need enough pallets to create the frame of your greenhouse. Ask local businesses if they have any they can spare. Windows. Old windows will let the sunshine in. Make sure they are intact and not broken. Screws. Use screws to hold everything together. They are strong and durable. Heavy-duty staples. Staples will help secure the plastic sheeting. Measuring tape. Measure twice, cut once. This will help you build accurately. Level. A level ensures your greenhouse is straight and stable. Saw. A saw is essential for cutting the pallets and wood to size. Hammer. You'll need a hammer for driving in nails. Screwdriver. A screwdriver will help you secure the screws tightly. Heavy-duty plastic sheeting. This will cover any gaps and protect your plants. Safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses when working with tools. Work gloves. Protect your hands with sturdy work gloves. Before you build, think about the size and location of your greenhouse. Choose a sunny spot in your yard. It should get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Consider the size of your windows. They will determine the width and height of your greenhouse. Make sure there's enough space for your plants to grow. Think about ventilation too. You'll need to open the windows on warm days to let fresh air in. Now let's build the frame. Lay down pallets to form the base of your greenhouse. Use a level to make sure it's even. Secure the pallets together with screws. This will be the foundation of your structure. Next, build the vertical supports for your walls. Cut the pallets to the desired height using a saw. Attach them to the base with screws, ensuring they are straight and secure. Now you have a sturdy frame for your greenhouse. Section 5. Letting the sunshine in. Time to install the windows. Carefully position them within the frame. Use screws to attach them securely. Make sure they fit snugly and there are no gaps. Seal any gaps around the windows with weather-resistant caulk. This will prevent drafts and keep your plants warm. Now your greenhouse is starting to take shape. Section 6. Walls and roof. Keeping the elements out. You can use more pallets or scrap wood for the remaining walls. Cut them to size and attach them to the frame using screws. Ensure they are secure and weather-resistant. For the roof, create a simple sloped structure using more wood. This will allow rainwater to run off easily. Cover the entire roof with heavy-duty plastic sheeting. Secure it tightly with staples to prevent leaks. Section 7. Creating the perfect growing space. Inside your greenhouse, create shelves or raised beds for your plants. You can use scrap wood or cinder blocks. This will give your plants plenty of space to grow. For the floor, you can use gravel, mulch, or even paving stones. Choose a material that drains well to prevent waterlogging. Now your greenhouse is ready for planting. Section 8. Time to plant. Start planting your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers. Choose plants that thrive in a greenhouse environment. Water them regularly and provide adequate ventilation. Enjoy watching your plants flourish in their new home. Your mini greenhouse will provide fresh produce and beautiful blooms all year round. Congratulations, you've built your very own mini greenhouse. It's a rewarding project that will bring you closer to nature. Get creative, experiment with different plants, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.